you are saying that the unity is very important.
Yeah.
Your the family is going the another way. So how will you become? You have not power that if the single person.
We are not talking
can
about the
control
family.
to-
We are not talking about
So
the
my dear
family. We
brother,
are
you are
talking about
not-
the society or
Listen,
all the
yaar,
papers. So
if
okay,
they
I
have
am
a belief
against,
that I can
against
change
from your
any
topic
kind
is
of
that
this,
you
so
are
my
telling
dear
that
brother, the
this
understand
single
that
person or the
single
one person is
has a
needed.
many power
Single person
that
is
he
needed,
can
but
change
for my
anything.
point about it that the single person is not enough to make the
Cool,
unity
my dear
or
brother.
to make the difference into the society.
The Mahatma Gandhi also made the many kind of these groups by your thinking. If
So
they are
suppose,
thinking that
let's suppose
if
we are
they
talking, we are
thinking that
discussing, we are discussing about it that the single person can make the difference in the society. So one more time, you all are invited into the RKS Campus Academy. So first of all, very warm, please and good evening, respected Somen, and good evening to everyone. Thank you for this one. First, my introduction. My name is Jaya Patel. My father name is Mr. Netan Patel. My mother name is Arti Patel. My hobby is playing drawings. I want to do something in my future. I'm doing from Bhopal. And again, we are gathered here for the debate about the very wonderful and the glorious topic, which is that can one person make the difference to the society and the society. But before starting to the debate, I would like to request with my opponent, please give your introduction to all of us.
so well, first of all, good evening to all. My name is Rahman Barman. My father name is Mr. Parasuram Barman. I have completed my 12th class from Garamai Secondary Schools. I like mango, I dislike papaya. Now I am going to discussing about which is the topic has spoken by the Abhay Patel Bhaiya. So I want to listen the point of the Abhay Bhaiya. What would like to say about this topic?
Okay, so you all know about the topic and you all would have watched into the thumbnail what is the exactly topic, and already I have told you what is exactly the topic. So first of all, I would like to tell you exactly the can single person make difference in the society. So as for me, single person didn't had the effort and the capability to make difference into the society. I am agreed. You will say that from your thoughts is that a single person can make the difference into the society from the many types of the examples. But I would like to tell you, the single person only can inspire, but can't means make difference in this society. So would you like to say anything, and then I will vindicate to myself.
As I think that the my dear brother, that's if the who is a very powerful man person, so if one single person can change to everything. Like we know about the Chhatrapati Shivaji that he was the only single one person, but he has a many kind of this power, means that he stand the whole empire in this the world. And now this time we are watching that the who is the Maratha. Now this time they are living in the power of the Chhatrapati Shivaji. So as I think that we know about the Mahatma Gandhi also. Now this time we are living in a very freedom. How we are living because the one single person who used to think about all man this that if we are society living in a one person, so maybe the friend who is educated, so he changed everything. But as I think that if the single person has a more than knowledge, as we are watching that the arts are also only one person in RKS Campus Academy like us sir, they are also changing to many kind of the student. Now we are watching that there is no only one student, we are watching the 500 student in the RKS Campus Academy. So it is a very good that the one single person can improve to many kind of the children, which the future is a very important for that arts.
Okay, so I knew that you will take the example of the Mahatma Gandhi and the great leaders. So I had a thought of, from your to defeat to your thought about it that means what I told you at the starting about it that this single person cannot be make difference into the society. Means that you have taken the example of the Mahatma Gandhi, and even when he has risen the voice on that time, it means in around of him there was lots of people who were supporting of him.
But
Got it,
my
my
dear brother, the single person has a minded means that the Mahatma Gandhi also made the many kind of these groups by your thinking. If
So
they are thinking that if
we are
they
talking,
thinking that
we are discussing about it that the single person can make the difference in the society. So if the Mahatma Gandhi could not be raise the voice in the means independence, so who would be able to means give the independence to all of us? if the Mahatma Gandhi could not come into the front and could not take the action, so who could be able to give the independence to all of us? And one more thing about it, that if Mahatma Gandhi would have gone for getting the independence with the Britishers, so on that time he will not be able to get the independence. But all the society, all the union, and even the community were there and who were supporting and who were protesting. Then we can be able to, and we could be able to get the independence from the Britishers.
My dear
I knew
brother,
about it, that you have
know
taken.
anything. I don't know that. What are you saying that we have a forget to everything? Suppose that you are a very educated person,
Yeah.
and you are watching your society is going in a wrong way. Okay, so you will explain to her not. You have a not power means
I
that
will
if
explain.
and if the person has a more knowledge and the more the person has a confidence.
So, okay,
if
okay,
they have
I'm
a belief that I can
agreed
change
from your
any
topic
kind
is
of
that
this,
you are
my
saying
dear
that
brother,
the
understand
single
that
person or the
single
one person is
has a
needed.
many power
Single person
that
is
he
needed,
can
but
change
from my
anything.
point about it, that the single person is not enough to make the
Cool,
unity
my dear
or
brother.
to make the difference into the society. Because let's suppose, let me give you the one example of the Raghav Chadha. You know about it?
The Raghav
Raghav
Chadha
Chadha,
has not minded
do you
that
know about
he
him or
has a
not?
not
I would
having
like to
this and he
ask.
go
I
and
want
from
to
the first he was supported
I want
of the
to know-
Congress. Now
I
he is
want to
supporting in the
know-
BJP. My dear
Yes,
brother, you have a woman, she will support only one party, not as any kind.
I
You
want-
support the one, only one.
Okay,
Not a change to
I am
anyone.
agreed. I am agreed from
I
your
suppose
thought.
that you are a boy, you
let
don't
you
try
give
to
me
become
time.
like a
Let
girl.
you give me time. Okay, I am agreed from your topic. Okay, I am taking the answer of Raghav Chadha. Please listen and then reply.
Okay.
So my point about it from the Raghav Chadha, you know about it, that lots of points means the cases he was, and he was lots of things he was, we can say, he was taking and he was arising into the inside of the parliament about the geo, and the lots of things were there. But how many things are here? Means he was be able to alone be implemented in all over the India. Tell me about it.
My dear brother, you told the very example very well of Raghav Chadha. Okay,
Yeah.
you know about the Congress party that the Rahul Gandhi.
I don't mean from the Rahul Gandhi. I don't mean the Raghav Chadha. Please give me the answer of the Raghav Chadha. And he was the alone. He was speaking into the parliament. So why he not be able to? He means get the implementation
Firstly, you
overall
answer that the why
overall
he changed the party.
Please listen my thoughts
Firstly,
and then
you
I speak.
changed it. Now, I
Please
will
listen
not
my
give
thoughts and
answer,
then I speak
but I
about
want
it.
to listen
Why
to the
he
why
not be
he
able to
changed
get
the
the
party.
implement all over the India, and if he would have they got the unity
Well,
of the
bro.
parliament member, so he would be able to get the implemented all the things whatever he have
Listen,
arrived inside
yaar.
of the parliament. So you know, you have to know about it, that unity is more than important for getting the different institutions.
My dear brother, you are saying that the unity is very important.
Okay.
So how it will become? The one person will explain to them, then the unity will become. You will not break a unity by
But we
yourself.
are talking
If
about
you are watching
but
the
we
woman,
are discussing about
the woman, my dear
but
brother,
we are discussing about the can single person.
firstly understand the
Okay,
down south.
I am agreed
I am
from
requesting
your
you to down south. Okay. To discuss with me only. Okay.
we are in the debate.
We are debating, but my dear brother, you are shouting that we have to watch.
So
and
that
we
is
have
the
to-
mean of the debate.
Okay, you have to debate.
Yeah.
Really debate.
Yeah.
Start.
I have spoken now.
You are
Lots
saying
of
that
things
the
are
unity is
good.
very important.
Yeah.
Your the family is going the another way. So how will you become? You have not power that if the single person.
We are not talking
can
about the
control
family.
to-
We are not talking about
So
the
my dear
family. We
brother,
are
you are
talking
not-
about the society or
Listen
all the
here.
papers. Let's suppose if
Listen here, the
let's
my dear
suppose let's
brother,
take the
you
example.
are living in a well.
Let's
The
take
well
the
will wash the
example
sea
one.
now. So my dear brother, understand that the what is the world. You are living in a well. When we drew from the well now, so we will understand that what is the society. If you have a power for swimming in a river, you have a power but swimming in a sea. So that time you will understand that what is the society and how you will have to promote your society. If you have a knowledge, you are watching the village person, they are not aware. So my dear friend, I have a power, I can improve to anything in my village, and I am a single person. I hold area, I can improve because I have a power.
You will be able
So my
to
dear
you will
friend,
be able
don't
to
go
make
to another
different all
that
over
if
things.
he has a only totally about that his thinking power is a very good. Now this time we are listening that
Last 30 seconds.
last that sorry we are watching about that Bhagat Singh also, Ravindranath Tagore also, how they have a single person, because they are used to thinking about the whole peoples. If you are thinking that about your only self, so you can't change anything. But you are thinking about your society. If you will run with the society, to my dear friend, one day you will become the king of this world.
Okay, I know about it. You will tell about it. But I would like to give the example of the all environment pollution.
You will have to watch
COVID-19 of the all kind of thing. If the Unitec will not be able to give the support to the all of us, so how we will be able to get the manage with COVID-19, and even we will not be able to maintain to the environment.
You told about the
Unity is
COVID-19.
more than important. A single person cannot make the difference in society.